Hi, I'm here from M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to do a Scrappy lozenge block. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. For the Scrappy lozenge block, you're going to want 4 different rectangles that are 3.5 by 6.5, and then 4 background squares that are 3.5-inch square. So we're going to take our square, and on the wrong side of the fabric, not that that matters so much on the solid, but we're going to draw us a diagonal line. Once we get our line drawn on, we might want to arrange your block. It's going to be a 4 patch. And then we're going to snowball our corners. So we'll go here and we're going to go this way. And on the opposite one, we'll go this way. And down here, we're going to go here. And then we'll go here. And if you sew on the outside, just outside the edge of your line toward the outside edge, that will help it to fit better. Once you get that sewn, I like to set the seam with the iron and then fold this back and make sure that my corner is covered, and then we'll trim our seam allowance. And you can take this to your sewing machine and sew it and have a bonus half square triangle. If you're looking for things to do with half square triangles, you may want to check out my 20 half square triangle blocks. I'll put a card up above and a link in the description. Then you'll just arrange your block. Sew these units together and these units together, and then we'll sew this all together. And that will make your Scrappy lozenge block. You'll end up with these 4 bonus half square triangles. Your block will measure 12.5 by 6.5 and finish at 12 by 6. Have fun, mix and match how you twist and turn them, and let's see what you can come up with. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.